Hey all, so we're going to talk about circles from 6.4. We're going to look at number 11 and 15 as our highest voted problems. So please, if you're stuck on other ones, please make sure that you vote. 13 also got a couple of votes, but 13 and 11 are very similar, and 11 had more. So the first thing that we're going to do in number 11 is it asks for what's the area of this circle, and it gives you the diameter, which is 24 centimeters. So we're going to fall back to our formulas here. We're going to remember that the area of a circle is pi r squared. Now, unfortunately, we don't have the radius here like we do in 13. Here we have the diameter, and so we have to remember that the diameter is 2 times the radius. So therefore, if my diameter is 24 centimeters, my radius is half of that. So my radius is 12 centimeters. Now when I plug that in, I end up with pi times 12 squared, which equals 144 pi centimeters squared. So this is the answer left in terms of pi, and it says do it in both. So we can do this, and then on our calculators, we would type in 144 times 3.14, which is the approximation that they recommend, and that gives you 452.2 centimeters squared. So hopefully this helps, this idea here. Looking at number 15, 15 says that we're going to use graph paper. It's a circle with a center at -4, 2, and it goes through -4, -4. So when I graph this out, -4 and up 2 is the center of the circle. And then the arc goes through -4, -4, which would be right here, meaning that the circle, this is just me trying to approximate it, it's going to look kind of like that. It's not great. But what this tells us here is this is our radius. Well, we've just talked about distance, and the distance between these here is 6. And you can do it either by counting or drawing. 6 right like that, because we're going from -4 to -4, so the x is 0, and then we're going from 2 to -4, and so then the rise, the y change, is 6. So once we know that our radius is 6, it asks for your area, which again is pi r squared, which in this case is 36 pi. You can use your calculator to multiply by 3.14 for the second answer. And then your circumference is equal to pi times diameter. If the radius is 6, that means that the diameter is 12. So this is 12 pi. And again, you can multiply it out for the rest. Hopefully these helped, and I will love to talk with you all so soon. So please get in touch if you're stuck on any other problems.